My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Mini Cooper. This vehicle has done just under 65,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic wipers. On our screen we can access settings, vehicle information, mini connected and contacts, smartphone integration, multimedia and radio. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. We have 3 different driving modes to switch between: green mode, mid and sport. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.